Nothing beats homemade bread. Today we are making a sandwich bread. Soft, golden, and a must-have staple for everyone. Ready to transform your sandwiches? Let's get started. Let's start with 500 grams of flour and 5 grams of yeast, 3 grams of salt, 20 grams of sugar, 44 ml of oil, 44 milliliters of olive oil, 324 ml of water, now keep mixing until a dough is formed. Once you have a dough, lightly flour your workspace. Now start kneading until your dough is smooth. To knead the dough, use the heel of your palm to push and knead it. Once you have a nice smooth dough, transfer into an oil-up bowl for proofing. Cling wrap it. Leave it to proof for an hour or double in size. Now flour your workspace for shaping. Now use your thumbs to stretch both ends of the dough. Using your fingers, lightly fold each side into the center. Now roll up the dough. While rolling, lightly push the dough inwards so it becomes a tight shape. Once you're done, lightly roll it back to you. Make sure the seam of the dough is face down when you are putting it into the pan. If your dough is not fully smooth like mine on the top left, don't worry. During second proofing and baking, it will be smooth. Wrap it again and proof until a few inches below from the lip of the pan. If you accidentally overproof and it's spilling, just slightly put it back in. It won't look nice, but it's edible. Now bake for 190 Celsius for 40 minutes. Enjoy!